Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Maybe you're like me, and if you're looking for a bed frame, you want it to be pretty, but also simple and help you to be more organized with storage underneath the bed.
I was able to find all of those things in the ZINUS Mia metal platform bed frame. I have it here in the king size, and what I really love about it is how sleek and simple the lines are. It's really quite pretty, and the height of it allows me to have storage underneath the bed. As you can see, I'm still putting that storage together, still organizing it, but I love the fact that I do have that space. And the way that this works, I do not need a box spring. This mattress that I have works without a box spring, and I'm able to just place the mattress right on the wood planks that rest on the bed frame. So it was very simple to put together as far as bed frames go, and I appreciate that those wood planks are in place with Velcro, so they're not going to move around. And then once a comforter is on, you don't even know that I've got storage under the bed, which is pretty great. So this bed frame is really versatile. I think it looks beautiful in its simplicity and nice clean lines. You're able to really match it to your own style, but I just think that it's the total package when it comes to a bed frame. It was everything that I was looking for.
I really love this bed frame. It has checked all the boxes for me. I think it is so pretty in its simplicity. I think you'll be really happy with it too, but that's just my point of view.